So today I'm going to be doing the reverse bulb on a Rav4. This is a 2020 model, so this is pretty straightforward, but this little door can be a little pain in the butt. It takes a fair bit of pressure to get that open. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So one, you have a little slot here for a screwdriver. Now pry and pull down. It takes a fair bit of pressure to get that little door to open up and reveal the light. Then this light bulb twists counterclockwise and pull down and back. So there's the bulb. We'll grab that. This could be a directional bulb, so if you're putting this back in and it doesn't work, just flip the bulb, see if that does it. But it just fits in there. I'll put a link in the description for this guy. That there for that bulb, but that is just a clear bulb. That push, turn clockwise. And you'll feel it click into place there. Then we put this door, which is kind of a pain in the butt, back in there. And there we go. That is how you do the reverse bulb. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.